Hi everybody, welcome back. We have learned the definition of noun earlier in parts of speech. Noun is a word used as a name of persons, places, animals and things, isn't it? Nouns come in a lot of different shapes and sizes. We will learn kinds of noun today. Nouns are classified into five kinds. First one, proper noun. Second one, common noun. Third one, abstract noun. Fourth one, collective noun. And the fifth one, material noun. We will discuss each one in detail. Proper noun. We have a simple definition to remember it. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, or a unique thing. We will write a few examples. Name of proper persons: Abdul, Yasmin. Name of proper places: Asia, India, Delhi, Hyderabad, Rameshwaram. Name of proper things: Sun, White House, Bible. Points to remember: Note 1. Proper nouns have no plural form. Note 2. Proper nouns are always third person singulars. Note 3. The verb that follow third person singular take s in simple present tense. Note 4. Proper nouns are always written with a capital letter at the beginning. Common noun. We have a simple definition to remember it. A common noun is a name of given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. We will write a few examples. All persons of the same kind: girl, girls. All places of the same kind: school, schools. All things of the same kind: chair, chairs. All animals of the same kind: lion, lions. Points to remember. Note 1. Common nouns have singular and plural form. Note 2. The verb that follow third person singular take s in the simple present tense. Abstract noun. We have a simple definition to remember it. An abstract noun is the name of a quality, action, or state. We will write a few examples. Name of all qualities: goodness, sorrow, justice. Name of all actions: hatred, fight, argument. Name of all states: poverty, boyhood, sickness. Points to remember. Note 1. Abstract nouns have no plural form. Note 2. These are always third person singulars. Note 3. The verb that follow third person singular take s in simple present tense. Collective noun. We have a simple definition to remember it. Collective noun is the name of a number or a collection of persons or things. We will write a few examples. A group of persons: family, families. A group of places: district, districts. A group of animals: flock, flocks. A group of things: bunch, bunches. Points to remember. Note 1. Collective nouns have singular and plural forms. Note 2. The verb that follow third person singular take s in simple present tense. Material noun. We have a simple definition to remember it. A material noun is the name of a raw material or substance out of which other things are made. We will write a few examples. All metals: gold, aluminium. All natural gifts: water, cotton. All synthetics: plastic, leather. Points to remember. Note 1. Material nouns have no plural form. Note 2. These are always third personal singulars. Note 3. The verb that follow third personal singular take s in simple present tense. We have learnt kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, collective noun, and material noun. Today's session we will wind up. We will be back with our next video. kinds of pronouns. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Have a good day until we come back.